Hey YouTube. So here I have a Avital 3200 remote start. One of my big issues I had was how to fix the time on the remote. It's actually very simple. You have a F on the side of the remote. You hold that down for 5 seconds. It's gonna beep. And then you hit auxiliary to change the time. And you could go from AM, PM, as you see here. In my case, I go to 6. And then you're going to hit the F again. And switch over to the numbers. Once again, you hit auxiliary to change the numbers. After, when you're done, you're all done. Just let it sit and it will lock itself into the time. Thanks you two for watching. Good luck.